You may know a version that's a little different than what I'm about to teach you. I know sometimes we slap the ground instead of the top of the cup, but today, if you don't mind, just follow along with what I'm teaching you, even though if it's not exactly what you know, okay? So it starts like this. The rhythm is ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. So we go ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Can you do that with me, please? 1, 2, ready, and ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. 1, 2, again, and go. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Next is ta, move the cup. Okay, again, ta, move the cup. And you're going to move it to the right. It will look opposite of what I am doing. 1, 2, ready, and ta, move the cup. Let's put those two together. 1, 2, ready, go. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, ta, move the cup. All right, the next part is the hardest part, and it goes like this. Ta. Now I want you to stick your hand out like you're going to shake somebody's hand. And I want you to take your hand and turn it like you're turning a doorknob. Okay? So you reach out, turn it like you're turning a doorknob, and now your thumb is facing the ground. You're going to reach over and grab the cup with your thumb facing the ground. So let's just do that much. Clap, grab. That's it. 1, 2, ready, and clap, grab. 1, 2, again, and go. Clap, grab. 1, 2, ready, and clap, grab. Good, let's go all the way back to the beginning and do that far. 1, 2, ready, go. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, clap, move the cup. Now when we move the cup there, we grab the top like that and we just move it over. 1, 2, again, and go. Clap, clap, ti, ti, ta, clap, move the cup. Clap, grab, and stop. One more time. 1, 2, ready, and clap, clap, ti, ti, ta, clap, move the cup. Clap, grab. All right, if you need to pause and practice that a little bit, you can. Clap, grab, clap, grab, clap, grab. All right, from there we go clap, grab. You're going to raise the cup up and you're going to touch the open side of the cup to your hand. So the open side is if you were going to take a sip out of it, touches to your hand, and then you sit it down in front of you like you were going to drink out of it. So let's put it over here to our right. And we're going to go clap, grab, up, touch your hand, and sit it down like you're going to take a sip out of it. One more time. Off to your right. Clap, grab, pick it up and down. Off to your right. 1, 2, ready, and clap, grab, up, down. That's really the hardest part of the song. So if you need to stop and practice that a little bit, please do that, because that's going to be the part that's hard for you. So a couple of times through that. Clap, grab, up, down. Again, 1, 2, ready, and clap, grab, up, down. 1, 2, ready, and clap, grab, up, down. 1, 2, again, and go. Clap, grab, up, down. Very good. Let's go from the beginning. 1, 2, beginning, go. Clap, clap, ti, ti, ta, clap, move the cup. Clap, grab, up, down. Now, the part that I think most kids mess up on is when you go clap, grab, you want to grab the top. But remember, you clap and turn your hand down like you're turning a doorknob. Okay, so your thumb's down toward the ground. That way when you lift it up, it's very natural to lift it as if you were going to drink out of it. Okay, from the beginning, 1, 2, ready, and clap, clap, ti, ti, ta, clap to your right. Clap, grab, up, down. Let's go step by step through it. Ready, and we clap, ti-ti-ta, clap, grab the top of the cup and move it to your right. Clap again, turn your hand down like you're going for a doorknob. Reach over, grab the cup, bring it up, touch your hand, and set it back down. All right, so far we have clap, clap, ti-ti-ta, clap, move the cup, clap, grab, up, down. Now when you sit it down, you don't take your hand off of it. Leave that hand on there, okay? You're gonna take the cup from here, move it up, and switch hands. So you take it, bring it up, put the bottom part in your left hand and grab it. Your right hand goes on the ground. You kind of slap the ground gently, don't hurt yourself, and then you slap the cup down. Okay? And then it starts again. So again, from grabbing the cup, clap, grab, bring it up, set it down, pick it right up, put it in your hand, grab it with your left hand, right hand goes down, left hand goes to the side. All right, one more time. Clap, grab, up, down, bring it up again, up, but you're turning it the other way, so the end is now in your left hand, right hand down, left hand on the ground. Again, clap, grab, up, down, bring it up again, floor, and cup. From clap, grab, up, down, up, floor, cup, and you cross over. Now when you cross over, you want to make sure you're crossing to your right. The really cool thing about the cup song and why it's so important to move to our right is that we can do this as a passing game. So we can sit in a really big circle and we can move it to the right and keep it moving all around the circle, and it's a really, really neat effect when we do that, and it's a really good partner game, passing game to do that with. So from the beginning, clap, clap, ti-ti-ta, clap to your right, clap, pick it up, hand, down, up, right, cross. And remember, you're crossing to your right so that you can put it in front of the next person if we're doing a passing game. If not, just put it in front of yourself and keep doing it again. All right, we'll do it 2 times in a row. If you need to pause and practice, go right ahead. We'll do it slow a couple times, then we'll start speeding it up. Ready? And clap, clap, ti-ti-ta, clap, move the cup, clap, 1, 2, again, and go. Clap, clap, ti-ti-ta, clap, move the cup, clap, grab, up, down, up, floor, cross. 1, 2, again, and go. Clap, clap, ti-ti-ta, clap, move the cup, clap, grab, up, down, up, floor, cross. 1, 2, ready, go. Clap, clap, ti-ti-ta, clap, move the cup, clap, grab, up, down, up, floor, and down. Clap, move the cup, clap, grab, up, down, up, floor, cross. Now at this point I'm going to start going faster. If you have a good idea of how to do it and you understand, feel free to move on with me. If you don't quite have it yet, pause the video, go back, rewind, do it at a speed you can, practice on your own, and then try to get faster and faster as you're learning it, okay? Here we go. Each time will be a little bit faster. We'll speed the tempo up. 1, 2, starting slow, and go. Clap, clap, ti-ti-ta, clap, move the cup, clap, grab, up, down, up, floor, and cross. Again, clap, clap, ti-ti-ta, clap, move the cup, clap, grab, up, down, up, floor, again, and clap, clap, ti-ti-ta, clap, move the cup, clap, grab, up, down, up, floor, and cross. Clap, clap, ti-ti-ta, clap, move the cup, clap, grab, up, down, up, floor, and little faster. Clap, clap, ti-ti-ta, clap, move the cup. Clap, grab, up, down, up, floor and cross. Clap, clap, tee-tee-ta, clap, move the cup. Clap, grab, up, down, up, floor and cross. Faster, clap, clap, tee-tee-ta, clap, move the cup. Clap, grab, up, down, up, floor and cross, and faster. Move the cup, clap, grab, up, down, up, floor, and faster. Clap, clap, tee-tee-ta, clap, move the cup. Clap, grab, up, down, up, floor, and faster. Clap, clap, tee-tee-ta, clap, move the cup. Clap, grab, up, da, da, boom, I messed up the words. Clap, clap, tee-tee-ta, clap, move the cup. Clap, grab, up, down, up, floor, and cross. Very good. Now let's add some music to it. All right, we are going to do the Kidz Bop version of the cup song. It is faster. It starts right off on the cup, so I'll probably let it go through one time and then I'll join in with them, okay?